If you have been getting low views on your videos, it means that there is something very absolutely wrong you have been doing, or probably something you have not been doing right. So therefore, in today's video, there is a good news. I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to start doing right to start getting that massive view you are expected to be getting on your videos. Guys, this is not a magic. I'm so super excited and surprised. In my previous videos, the highest views I get on my channel, 10 views, 7 views, 9 views. But immediately I started paying attention to this strategy, my views changed, and YouTube algorithm started recommending my video. Imagine me getting impression click-through rate of 1 to 9 and 1008 in different of my videos, and my views have really changed. Guys, if you have been doing that old strategy, you already know. You need to watch this video to the end to know the new strategy you need to start implementing on your videos so that you start getting that desired result you need to start getting. Guys, YouTubers that are getting massive views on their channel is not a magic. It's not like their content is better than yours. I mean, it's just applying the right strategy, the simple strategy, so that that desired result you also get there. Guys, so my name is Choma. If you are new here, welcome. Please, on this channel, I help new YouTubers do YouTube the right way. When I mean the right way, so that you get monetized fast, even faster than you ever think. So please, if this channel is what you are looking for, of course I know it's what you really need. So kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, so that every time I upload a new video here, you always get notified to watch my video. Guys, so in today's video, I don't want to ramble too much because this strategy will blow your mind and you will thank me in the comment section. So in today's video, I want us to also support each other. Don't forget that in my comment section of this video. So let me know how many subscribers you have on your channel. Let me know your watch hour. Let me know the highest number of views you've already accumulated on your video so far, so that I can know how to come in to also help you. So before I dive into the next clip, guys, I want us to note something. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip. I always like to do this. So if you stick to this video, watch this video to the end, please. This is not for you to start skipping my video. You need to watch it to the end so that you don't miss any part of this video, because this video has changed a lot about my videos on my channel. So I have come to also share this knowledge with all my subscribers so that you all can start getting that same exact result I've been getting on my video. So without further ado, guys, let's dive right into the screen recording on how you can start implementing these new strategies. Guys, YouTube is very easy. It's not hard. It's just to know the right thing to do. So please, without further ado, let's dive right into the next clip. So guys, you go to your Chrome version. Make sure the Chrome version is updated. If not, you'll be getting some delays in opening the browser. So you click on MW metadata. This particular one that the logo is showing blue, you click on it. So then go to your YouTube app. You can decide to use the Chrome version or the desktop version or even the app version. So look out for a particular topic in your niche that actually did very well. A particular topic other content creators that you both are in the same niche have also spoken about, and the video went viral. So here I'm going to be searching how to get YouTube to start recommending your videos. So here I'll just click on the send button. We already know how to search for anything on YouTube, right? Yeah. So if you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section. But I believe everyone already knows that we've moved on already. So then you search and it will take you to different YouTubers that have actually spoke about this topic I actually searched for. So now what you'll be looking out for is the particular video that did well, that video that did perfectly well, that you also like to emulate. So this one already has 4,700 views, so this is not what we're looking for. So here is another video which is 1.2 thousand views. No, this is not what we're looking for. So this one already has 131,000 views. So this video is not bad. So you click on the three dots so that you'll be able to see. Just click on the video. So once you click on the video, you go to the description of that particular video. You copy that description. How do you copy the description? By long pressing on it, then you drag it down to the last word that you would like to copy. So as soon as you copy that description, just follow me step by step, guys. Follow me step by step. So as soon as you're done copying that particular description, you on that video, I'm not saying on your own video, on that particular video that another content creator already had made video on. So you go to your notebook, that's your notepad on your phone, you paste it on any notepad of your choice, so long as you can decide to also post it on your Google Docs. So just to have it saved somewhere, right? So once you get that pasted in any of these your Google Docs or your notepad, so now you go back to that same video, look out for the title. Now this is the trick. So you're not getting exactly the same title, so but you'll be adding one or two things to it so it doesn't look exactly the same title, right? So here I'll just make my own title, um YouTube not recommending your videos. So just follow me step by step, guys, so that you understand clearly what I'm saying. So YouTube not recommending your videos. I'm just going to be adding one or two words to it so that it will be kind of unique. So it won't be exactly, but there are things we call keywords. So keywords, those keywords on that topic has to also be replicated in your own topic if you want to get that same result. So here the keywords here are YouTube not recommending your video. So YouTube recommending and videos. Then here I'll be adding small channels must do this now. So small channels must do this now. So this is to also get traffic from new YouTubers that are coming up on board so that they'll be able to watch this video. So once we are done, so we click on the share button. Don't forget we already have our MW metadata open. So once you do that, you copy the link, you come to the Chrome version where you already have your MW metadata on. So you click on this link and click on submit. That's, you paste the link on that search button and submit. So what this does is it gives you the back end settings that the YouTuber actually used on their videos. So back end settings like the tags, the categories, you see everything. So you long press on the category, on the you long press on the tag so that you'll be using that same tag. So as YouTube is pushing this particular YouTuber's video, is also pushing your own video to rank. That is the whole trick. So as YouTube is pushing this other big YouTuber's video, they are also pushing your own as well. So make sure that your content is top notch, your videos are at least to your best ability. Make sure that the videos are okay and very bright, and make sure your voice is also very audible so that your audience, your potential audience, won't click out or start seeing your video as a very boring one. So once you copy the tag, you go back to that same notepad where you got the description of that particular video pasted. So you go back to your notepad and also paste the tags. So you already know how to put tags on each of your video. If you want me to make video on how to put tags on any video you upload on your YouTube, let me know as well in the comment section so I can put you through. So please, if you find this video very helpful, I will appreciate that you subscribe to my channel and also turn on post notification so that every time I upload new videos you always get notified. So the last bonus I promised earlier is that whenever you upload your video, make sure you use other people's phone to watch that video on YouTube. At least once you get 2-3 people to watch that video, you comment, you like and share, you see that YouTube will start recommending your videos. I've tried this and it's working. So try it and let me know the feedback. Thank you.